In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method on Whop, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user of the platform or logging in for the first time, understanding how to properly set up your payment options is crucial. This ensures that everything runs smoothly and you can access all the services and features without any hiccups. Now, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Whop website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you've forgotten your password, most platforms, including Whop, offer a way to reset it right below the login space, so don't worry. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, the central hub for navigating your account settings and features. From here, let's direct our attention to your profile settings. You'll typically find this option by clicking on your avatar or username, often located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on your profile, a drop-down menu should appear. Look for the Payment Methods section. This is where you can view, edit, or add new payment options for your account. Next, you'll want to click on Payment Methods. This section displays any payment method you've previously added or used, and it's also where you'll manage them. To add a new payment method, look for a button that says Add Payment Method. It's usually prominently placed to be easily found. Click on the Add Payment Method button, and you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. At this point, it's important to have your credit or debit card near you, or the necessary information for a bank account depending on which method you prefer to use. Carefully fill in your payment details in the fields provided. Accuracy is key here, as any discrepancy might lead to errors during transactions, so double check the numbers before proceeding. Once you've entered all the required information, it's time to save your payment details by clicking the Save or Confirm button. This step is crucial to activate your new payment method on your Whop account. Upon saving, your payment method will become active immediately, allowing you to make transactions or receive payouts without further delay. You'll typically receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully added. To wrap things up, having a proper payment method set up on Whop ensures that you can engage fully with the platform, whether you're purchasing a service or setting up automatic payments. By following these easy steps, you'll be good to go and ready to make the most out of what Whop has to offer. Remember, having an active and secure payment method is key to maximizing your experience on any online platform. That's it for today, and thank you for watching.